Remove the bottom cup. Unscrew the lid from the filter basket. Use the scoop to add approx. 15 grams of fine coffee grounds, espresso grind, to the basket. Gently press the grounds flat using the bottom of the scoop. Screw the lid back onto the basket tightly. Lock the assembled brewing chamber back onto the main unit by twisting clockwise. Flip open the water tank lid. Fill with room temperature filtered water. Press the button once to check battery level. Press again to start the heating and brewing cycle. Long press the button for 3 to 5 seconds. The machine will skip heating and begin extraction immediately. Do not open while brewing. Wait at least 5 minutes for the pressure to release. You can also brewing with capsules. Insert a compatible capsule. Screw the adapter lid clockwise onto the basket and tighten securely. Attach the adapter to the main unit. You can connect the provided USB-C charging cable to the device and a compatible power source.